Hey guys, Scrappy K Sue. I just wanted to show you this card that I made for someone for their birthday. I had gotten a stamp set that had the Tim Holtz Crazy Dogs, but it wasn't all of them. I think there's only 4 of them in this set. It's a stamp, die, and embossing folder set. It makes this like a big mess in the back. And what I did was just I actually put oh gosh, what's the stuff you put on and then put embossing powder on? Dang, it has left my brain. I use it so much. But anyway, I put it on the actual embossing folder and ran it through the machine, and the ink glue stuff went on the down parts, and then the up parts were just regular. I know this sounds so weird. Anyway, so I just I did Copic coloring with the images here and here, and I did the little bone and the ball, and I put I Rough You. Now the So Much came from another set. It was one of my Hero Arts monthly hero stamp sets or kits, because I wanted to put so much, and I know I probably got several of these in different fonts. That's the first one that came to my mind, so I found that one and put it there. And on the inside, this is a die. I die cut it 4 times and put them on top of each other. Now, I don't do that very often, and you could probably tell that I don't do that very often if you look close. And I know whoever gets this ain't going to be looking at that, but, you know, we as crafters, we notice things like that. I didn't get them all lined up exactly right. They're just a tad off on some of them on this happy one. You can't really tell that much, but anyway. So I put that there, and then this stamp set comes from a Gina K stamp. It's an older stamp set, but I was trying to find something to stamp, some kind of sentiment, but the person that I'm sending this to, I just couldn't find the right sentiment. So I wanted something more, but this is the only thing I could find that would, that would go with it. And then I have a punch that's got a paw print, so I'll put a little paw print on there, and then I put my little stamp on the back. So I hope he likes it, and I hope you guys like it too. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment, and if you're not subscribed to me, hit that subscribe button and see if you can get some inspiration on my YouTube channel. I hope you do. So let me know if you have any questions, and we'll talk to you guys later. Thanks. Bye.